Good morning, students. I think after a long time, now you again start your class of class 10, and this time you are known that you are getting so much freedom. But one thing is that if you get so much privilege, sometimes happens if you get so many privilege, you won't utilize your time properly. So I will always suggest you that if you are getting time, if you are getting freedom, so utilize in proper place in as much as you can grasp the things and do your things nicely. And if you want to take any extra work, you can manage to go. But without any work, you don't move here and there and not spoil your time in gossip and others wandering here and there. So since after 6 months you will be able to prepare for the examination also, since your time is very important and you have to prepare all the things in very short time. So try to remember all the things and revise all the portion whatever going on. Now today I am going to apply about the letter writing. First of all, I am going to apply that what is in previous classes we have read so much about letter writing, but now in class 10 you have a various field. Particularly, you know that there are two types of letter, that is formal letter and informal letter. In informal letter, what happens? It is very common, and it is basically when you written to your friends, your near and dears, family members, etc. But in informal letter, it is in various field you can utilize it. You can use it for various reason or purpose. Like I can think, generally what happens in the previous classes, you have utilized it for application, for leave application, for invitation. But here you can utilize in some complaint, like in public field, in as much as you can utilize it in bank, and for editors, if you are going to give some things to society or make aware of the people, you can give your things to editor also, in as much as if you publish that, so many people will utilize it. So seeing all the things, you have to learn the things nicely, and you know that from this you can express your feelings and you develop your English skills also. So now today I am going to apply about the first letter writing, and first of all I am going to apply about the formal letter. Topic is letter writing. You know that there are two types of letter. First is formal letter. Second one is informal letter. So previously I applied the informal letter. What happens? It has various fields you can utilize it. So first of all you have to know that you know the format. How according to the format you have to utilize the letter, and strictly you have to follow all the rules. That means from where to start and where to end, all the things it is in very systematic manner. So first of all I am going to apply all the formal letter, how it can be utilized. First, sender's address. What happens in the very beginning of the page, the top of the page of left side, you have to write the sender's address. That means who is writing the letter. First of all, he gives his address. In that very things, including mobile number, or email, can also be written. Thereafter, after writing the sender's address, second point, you have to write the you have to write the date. That means just below the address, the date is written. And one thing is that in later date is always the month will be given in the word form. Suppose if you want to write 2nd July 2020, that means you never write all the date in the letters form. That means month will always be in the word form. Just after the date, the third point in the format receiver's address. That means whom you are writing the letter, that address should be given here. After that, subject. Just after giving receiver's address, you have to write the subject. That means what is the main subject? That it must be written in one line. That means you have to write the gist of the matter. Whatever the matter you want to give, or you are part of the region you want to put after that, you have to give one sentence. Just after that, you have to give salutation. That means like sir, madam, respected sir or madam. That means in salutation you have to give such things. After salutation, you have to write the body. The sixth point is body. That means it is a very important part of letter. That means the whole portion is written here. But you can see that body is divided into three parts. That means the main point of the letter is that whatever the things we're going to put up behind or put before him, you have to give some three reasons. That first is that introducing yourself. And apprise the matter which you want to say. That means whatever region you want to giving there, you have to give the main purpose or region in very beginning of the body. Thereafter, in the middle of that, in second part, give the region in details. Give the region in details. Suppose if you are ill and due to ill you are not able to join this class, or you are not able to go to school, so simply in the beginning what you say, that you have to introduce that I belong from such and such class, and after that if you have to write that due to suffering from fever, or on account of suffering from fever and viral fever I am not able to go to school. So you have to give second body, you have to write all the things, and thereafter, suppose if you are absent more than 2 or 3 days, you have to produce the medical certificate also. So you have to write accordingly that regarding this I am producing the medical certificates, and attach all the things, enclosing all the things with this letter. And thirdly, you have to write that conclude by mentioning what you expect. That means whatever you want to expect from him, you just write at the conclusion, you write there. After doing all the things, complementary ending. Second, in 7th point, that complementary ending. Complementary ending, that means at the last what happens, suppose you are giving yours sincerely, yours faithfully, like that way you have to write yours faithfully, yours sincerely, and at the last step you have to write your name, signature, and designation, if any. So like this way, in this format, you can write all the things, and I am going to apply how it will be used, and how I am giving some homework also.